Hello students, welcome to maths class. In the previous class, we learned about the exponents, the laws of exponents. So today, we shall learn more about exponents. So let's start. The first law says a cross b whole to the power n equals a to the power n into b to the power n. For example, a to the power 5 into b to the power minus 3 whole to the power 4 is equal to a to the power 5 whole to the power 4 into b to the power minus 3 whole to the power 4, and this is equals to a to the power 5 into 4, that means 20, and b to the power minus 3 into 4, that means minus 12. Taking another example, 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power minus 3 whole to the power minus 2. This is equal to 3 to the power 4 whole to the power minus 2 and 5 to the power minus 3 whole to the power minus 2. And this is equal to 3 to the power minus 8 into 5 to the power 6. The second law, a by b whole to the power n is equal to a to the power n by b to the power n. For example, a to the power minus 3 by b to the power 4 whole to the power 6 equal a to the power minus 3 whole to the power 6 by b to the power 4 whole to the power 6, and the numerator becomes a to the power minus 18 and denominator is b to the power 24. Hope you can understand. Coming to the second example, 5 to the power 7 by 3 to the power minus 4 whole to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 7 into minus 3, that equals minus 21, and the denominator 3 to the power minus 4 into minus 3 equals 12, 3 to the power 12. The third law says nth root of a equals a to the power 1 by n. For example, square root of 5 is equal to 5 to the power 1 by 2, and nth root of a to the power m equals a to the power m by n. For example, sixth root of 5 to the power 7 is equal to 5 to the power 7 by 6. Taking another example, cube root of a square into b to the power 4 is equal to a to the power 2 by 3 into b to the power 4 by 3. Hope this is clear. Now coming to some examples. Example 1, 4 to the power 3 by 2 into 125 to the power minus 2 by 3. You to all know 4 means 2 square. So 4 is expressed as 2 square and 3 by 2 is in the same position. Again 125 means 5 cube and minus 2 by 3 as usual. Now you to know the powers will be multiplied. As you can see, 2 to the power 2 into 3 by 2 into 5 to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3, and then we get 2 cube into 5 to the power minus 2. You know 5 to the power minus 2 means 1 by 5 square, and this is equal to 8 by 25. Coming to the second example, it says 8 by 27 whole to the power 2 by 3 into 32 whole to the power minus 2 by 5. 8 means 2 cube and 27 means 3 cube, that means it is 2 by 3 whole cube into the power 2 by 3 divided by 30. 30 means 2 to the power 5. If we multiply 2 with itself for 5 times, we get 32. That means 2 to the power 5 whole to the power minus 2 by 5. Now the powers are multiplied and we get 2 square by 3 square into 2 square. That means 4 into 4 by 9. That is equal to 16 by 9. That means 1 into 7 by 9. Now simplify the third example. Simplify x to the power m plus n into x to the power n plus l into x to the power l plus m by x to the power m into x to the power n into x to the power l whole square. Now on the numerator, the exponents are of same base x and they are on multiplication. So the base x will remain the same and the powers, that means exponents, will be added. As you can see, x to the power m plus n plus l plus l plus m, and in the denominator the power 2 is multiplied with the 3 exponents, that means x to the power 2m into x to the power 2n into x to the power 2l. The next line, the numerator is equal to x to the power 2m plus 2n plus 2l, and the denominator, here also the base are same, so the base is remain the same and the powers are added, and you can see the numerator and the denominator both are equal, so this is equal to 1. Coming to the fourth example, x to the power a by x to the power b whole to the power a plus b into x to the power b by x to the power c whole to the power b plus c into x to the power c by x to the power a whole to the power c plus a. Now x to the power a by x to the power b is equal to the x to the power a minus b, as the base are same and this is in the division. Similarly, x to the power b minus c whole to the power b plus c and x to the power c minus a whole to the power c plus a. Now the powers will be multiplied, as we can see, x to the power a minus b into a plus b into x to the power b minus c into b plus c into x to the power c minus a into c plus a. You can see this is the formula of a square minus b square. So this is expressed as a square minus b square, in the second term b square minus c square, and in the third term c square minus a square. Now see, all the base are same, so the base is remain same and the powers are added, and we get x to the power 0. You to know anything to the power 0 is equal to 1, so x to the power 0 equal to 1. I hope all the topics are clear to you. That's all today. This is your worksheet. Thank you.